Welcome back to Hair Care on a Budget. Today, we dive into the vibrant world of DIY flower-infused hair masks, where the beauty of nature meets the care your hair deserves. Using flowers like hibiscus, rose, and butterfly pea, you can create nourishing blends that enhance shine, promote growth, and revitalize your scalp. Each flower boasts unique properties that can transform your hair without breaking the bank. Let's start with the hibiscus hair mask, a true gem for your tresses. Gather fresh or dried hibiscus petals and leaves, and grind them into a paste, mixing with water or aloe vera gel until you reach a smooth consistency. Apply this rich blend to your hair and scalp, allowing it to work its magic for 30 to 60 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. The benefits are profound. Hibiscus is celebrated for encouraging hair growth, preventing premature graying, and imparting a radiant shine to your strands. Your hair will feel rejuvenated and revitalized after just one use. Next, we explore the alluring rose hair mask. With elegant rose petals, boiling water, and a drizzle of olive or grapeseed oil, this mask not only nourishes, but also uplifts your senses. Bruise the petals and let them steep in boiling water until cool. Then strain and apply the soothing rose water directly to your hair post-shampoo. Revel in the way rose water balances your scalp's pH and adds a gentle shine while calming any irritation you may have. Finally, the butterfly pea flower hair mask presents a stunning option. Steep dried butterfly pea flowers in hot water and use the infused water as a hair rinse. This magical potion can deepen your hair color while adding a glossiness that's hard to resist. Just as flowers brighten a garden, these masks will uplift your hair routine, ensuring your hair reflects the beauty of self-care. In addition to these three exquisite masks, you can blend hibiscus with aloe vera for intense hydration, or steep chamomile with green tea for a calming infusion. Ayurvedic herbs like amla and shikakai mixed with coconut oil can offer a traditional nurturing experience. Remember always to test your mask on a small patch of skin to avoid reactions. Rinse well with lukewarm water and enjoy the aromatic experience. Tune into Hair Care on a budget for more delightful tips and tricks, and embrace the transformational power of flowers for your hair. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.